Kasakai Mumbai. Good evening, creators, dreamers, disruptors और मेरे प्यारे एक और एपिसोड देख के ही सोएंगे बिंज वॉचर्स।
स्वागत है आप सबका इस साल की सबसे बड़ी, सबसे स्ट्रीमी और सबसे ज्यादा वायरल रात में दी 2026 इंडियन टेली स्ट्रीमिंग अवार्ड्स।
Firstly, I'd like to congratulate you all, not for being nominated, but for actually just reaching the venue.
क्योंकि ये लोकेशन सिविलाइजेशन से इतनी दूर है, Google Maps didn't show directions. It showed emotional preparation.
Honestly, the real winners tonight are not the ones coming up on stage. They are the people who came from Goregaon West to Goregaon East.
I asked my stylist. मैंने पूछा कि how did you come? By road or by metro?
हाँ.
So he said by pothole. यहाँ आगे pothole के भी पिन कोड्स हैं यार अलग-अलग.
मुक्ति चलो आगे बढ़ने से पहले pothole संभालना. Let's begin with introducing ourselves, okay? For whoever doesn't have a television in the house, I should introduce myself. मेरा नाम है नकुल मेहता. I have spent years perfecting the art of looking serious, romantic, confused, and sometimes all in one scene.
और मैं हूँ मुक्ति मोहन, part-time actor, part-time dancer, part-time hoster, and multitasker.
Trivia about Mukti Mohan is industry में इन्हें दो चीजों के लिए जाना जाता है. Killer dance moves and perfectly good mood.
And fun trivia about Nakul Mehta. He is one of the few actors जिनके ना बालों के अलग fan base है और आँखों का ना एक अलग ही मतलब I think just like his multifaceted and multi-genral acting, इनकी आँख भी decide नहीं कर पा रही है कि मैं नीली हूँ कि हरी हूँ कि brown हूँ. Pick a shade, bro.
मुक्ति शेड का तो तुम्हारा मैं दीवाना हूँ. But you know what I really am fond of is your choice. The guy you're married to यार. यार खूबसूरत इंसान है, खूबसूरत आदमी है.
Right.
I mean flirting का भी शायद ये नया तरीका है. We talk about our other half.
Yeah.
I won't say better half, other half.
Yeah. Anyway, before this turns into a Nakul Mukti Mutual Admiration Club, let's get to the hosting. वरना सबकी तरह AI भी हमें replace कर देगा.
This
हाँ, you hear the laughter? And we can't really say AI, After that, what if even the song AI is not allowed? Imagine.
मुक्ति मेरे गाने का मजाक उड़ाना is not okay. मेरे गाने का unauthorized use करना is absolutely not funny.
Sorry, Shaktiman. Sorry, Ritik. Sorry, Nakul.
Basically, you can't do this, right? Okay, anyway, अब थोड़ा AI को दूर करते हैं. इंसानों के तरफ बढ़ते हैं.
But first, can we acknowledge that Awards Day is the toughest performance of the year for the nominees, yeah?
I fully agree.
First battle, traffic. Second battle, paparazzi. And then the third battle, bladder control.
You have to go, yeah.
No, wait, we just started, yeah?
I'll see.
Because you never know. आपकी कैटेगरी कब अनाउंस होगी, राइट?
सही बोला. और इसलिए इंसानों को सेलिब्रेट करने का वक्त आ चुका है.
इतनी बड़ी शाम में महफिल को सजाने में हमारे पार्टनर्स का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है.
That's true.
Yes.
तो चलिए दिल से और बैंक अकाउंट से शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं उन ब्रांड्स का जो सबसे पहले हमारे बहुत ही चहेते हैं, फेवरेट हैं. सबसे पहले बिग थैंक्स टू आवर प्रेजेंटिंग पार्टनर वामन हरी पेढ़े ज्वेलर्स, आपके सुनहरे पलों के साथी for 117 years.
Wow.
Vaman Hari Pedhe Jewelers has been one of the most cherished moments, a part of the Maharashtra's legacy. Built on trust, purity and lasting relationship, the brand has become a beloved household name. Timeless craftsmanship, designs that evolve with each generation and ensure collections that are treasured by every age. Celebrate your golden moments with jewelry made to last a lifetime. जैसे उनके गहने चमकते हैं, वैसे ही उन्होंने आज रात की शाम में रौनक भर दी है. Can we please have the AV?
Beautiful. So after getting all jeweled up by Vamanhari Pethe Jewelers, हमारी लाइफ और खाने में स्वाद भरने के लिए थैंक यू टू आवर स्पाइस पार्टनर कैच, क्योंकि बिना थोड़े स्पाइस के एंटरटेनमेंट भी अधूरा है, राइट? We would like to thank our spice partner Catch Salts and Spices by DS Group, क्योंकि खाना सिर्फ खाना नहीं होता, कामयाबी का जश्न भी बनाना होता है. Catch Salts and Spices, one of the most popular brands of DS Group, a leading FMCG conglomerate and multi-business corporation. Catch Salts and Spices offers a wide range of products from single spices, blended spices, cooking pastes, to sprinklers, grinders, seasonings, and much more. Can we please have the AV?
कहाँ तक भागेगा लड़का जब दाल में लगेगा क्या छिनका तड़का.
ये जो खुशबू है गिली गिली जादू है.
क्या छिन के साथ डालिए खाने में जान, क्योंकि खाना सिर्फ खाना नहीं होता, भूले बिसरों को वापस लाना भी होता है. आपके पास ना हमारी कैच की हल्दी शायद गलती से इस डिलीवरी बॉय ने आपको डिलीवर कर दी.
तभी मैं सोचूं आज पतिदेव के खाने में इतनी रंगत कैसे आई.
उन्होंने मेरी कैच की हल्दी इस्तेमाल कर ली.
सर के लंच का क्या होगा?
हमारे यहाँ
कैच हल्दी ही लाती है खाने में असली रंग, क्योंकि खाना सिर्फ खाना नहीं होता है, एक दूसरे को जानने का बहाना भी होता है.
आपकी ज्वाइनिंग की खुशी में रेस्टोरेंट की सबसे स्पेशल डिश
ठंडा है.
ठंडा है.
भाई तू ये ठंडे मसाले वाला खाना क्यों खिला?
अरे सर कहना क्या चाहते हो?
यही कि जब तक खाने में कैच का गरम मसाला नहीं तब तक खाने का स्वाद ठंडा, क्योंकि खाना सिर्फ खाना नहीं होता है, जिंदगी में स्वाद लाना भी होता है.
खाना सिर्फ खाना नहीं होता है, एक दूसरे को जानने का बहाना भी होता है. तुम खाना कब खाओगी मेरे साथ?
अरे जान के एक बार डिसाइड कर ले, उसके बाद.
Caught you.
Huh?
You see, catch, caught, catch,
my
caught.
God.
Yeah, sorry. Okay. दोस्तों ये शाम सिर्फ एक अवार्ड सेरेमनी नहीं है, बल्कि एक बहुत बड़ी लेगेसी का हिस्सा है. 26 साल की लेगेसी. Today we are celebrating the 4th edition of the Indian Tele Streaming Awards. और ये लेगेसी एक एक्सटेंशन है उन लेजेंडरी इंडियन टेली अवार्ड्स का जो हमारी कंट्री के सबसे पहले टेलीविजन अवार्ड्स हैं.
Some people work in television, some people shape television. And then there is Anil Vanwari, the man who didn't just witness the industry evolve, he practically gave it an yearly report card.
Founder of the Indian Tele Awards, International Emmy Awards board member, and the force behind bringing Emmy judging to India.
Please welcome a true architect of the Indian media ecosystem, the founder, chairman, and the editor-in-chief of IndianTelevision.com Group, and the man who started it all, Mr. Anil
N.M. Vanwari.
Give it up for Anil sir, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, and every brilliant, borderline obsessed storyteller who has ever stared at a blank screen at 2 a.m. and thought that this story must be told. Welcome to each one of you storytellers. You made it, and tonight the spotlight is entirely yours. Look around this room. Look at the faces. The directors who agonized over a single frame. The writers who rewrote the same scene 14 times, or maybe 15, or maybe 20. The actors who disappeared so completely into their characters that their families briefly forgot who they were. The cinematographers who chased the perfect light. The composers who found the exact note that made an audience's heart crack open. This room is full of magicians, and tonight, India celebrates its magic. Let's have a round of applause for all the magicians in the room. It's time for me to call on our next host. She's in the audience. I'm going to step down there. She's hosted leads across countries, appeared in films, conquered OTT, which means tonight it's probably the lowest pressure job she's had all year. Hers is the kind of CV that makes LinkedIn crash. Please make some noise for the unstoppable Akshaya Shetty.
What an honor to be introduced by the man, the legend, Mr. Anil Vanwari, giving me such a warm introduction and a welcome. Now, it's time for the awards. First award that we have is Best Album Series, और इस award को present करने के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी stage पे Mr. Anand Tiwari जी. And the winner is Parmesh Verma for Kannada Jio Hotstar. अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट आर्ट डायरेक्टर. The winner is Rajat Poddar, Ranneeti Balakot and Beyond, Jio Hotstar. अगला अवार्ड है for best dialogue series and the nominees are and the winner is Harman Vadala, Sandeep Jain, Sameer Mishra, Anurag Pandey for Criminal Justice, A Family Matter, Applause Entertainment Private Limited, streaming on Jio Hotstar. Next award is Best Writer Screenplay Series and the nominees are and the winner is Harman Vadala, Sandeep Jain, Sameer Mishra, Criminal Justice, A Family Matter, Applause Entertainment Private Limited, streaming on Jio Hotstar. Up next is Best Comedy Series and the nominees are and the winner is Mamla Legal Hai Netflix and Poshampa Netflix India. Can we have the photo of for Mamla Legal Hai Nidhi Bisht receiving the award? Next award is Best Limited Series, Mini-Series. And the winner is Soul Stories, MMTV Limited. Next award is Best Rom-Com Series, Malayalam. And the winner is Coupling, MMTV. Next award is Best OTT Original Film, Malayalam. And the winner is Her, MMTV Limited. We have Best Youth Series, Malayalam. And the winner is Coupling, Malayalam Manorama Television Limited. Once again, guys. अगला अवार्ड है Editorial Choice Award, Most Versatile Actor. And the winner is Vineet Kumar Singh for Rangeen Rangbaaz, the Bihar chapter, streaming Prime Video and C5. बढ़ते हैं आगे. अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट OTT कम्युनिकेशन कैंपेन मलयालम. आई गेस अब तक हम सब जानते ही हैं. द विनर इज कपलिंग मलयालम मनोरमा टेलीविजन लिमिटेड. कंग्रेचुलेशंस गाइस. Congratulations to all the winners so far, and thank you so much, Anand. Thank you so much for giving away the award. Thank you so much. आगे बढ़ते हैं हमारी next category. Our next award is Best Actor Male OTT Original Film Odia. And to present the award, we would like to invite on stage Sarita Patil. And the winner is Devesh Ranjan Jajabhara 2.0 Cost of DreamWorks Private Limited. बढ़ते हैं अगली अवार्ड की तरफ। अगला अवार्ड है एडिटोरियल चॉइस बेस्ट कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर एंड द विनर इज Nandini Shrikant and Karan Mali, Criminal Justice of Family Matter, Jio Hotstar. कैटेगरी है काफी रोमांटिक। अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट रोम कॉम सीरीज एंड द विनर इज उप्स अब क्या, जियो हॉटस्टार। अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट वॉइस ओवर आर्टिस्ट मेल सीरीज एंड द विनर इज रोहित वर्गीस उप्स अब क्या है, स्ट्रीमिंग ऑन जियो हॉटस्टार। अगला अवार्ड है फॉर बेस्ट एक्टर negative male series and the nominees are and the winner is Surya Sharma Andekhi Season 3 of Plus Entertainment Private Limited, streaming on Sony Live. अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट ब्रांड इंटीग्रेशन सीरीज तेलुगु एंड द विनर इज बिंगो इन तेलुगु इंडियन आइडल सीजन 3, Haripriya Devi Setti, Arha Media and AMP Broadcasting Private Limited. Congratulations to all the winners so far and thank you so much Sarita ji, thank you so much. आगे बढ़ते हैं। हमारा अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट डायरेक्टर OTT ओरिजिनल फिल्म ओडिया और इस अवार्ड को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए मैं स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगी किंजल पटेल, एसोसिएट एडिटर इंडिया television.com and Nikita Malusare, conference producer ITV. And now, the winner is Abhishek Swain from Jajabhara 2.0 Cost of DreamWorks Private Limited. अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट फैमिली ड्रामा सीरीज एंड द विनर इज Bandish Bandit Season 2, streaming on Prime Video. May I also request the director Anand Tiwari to come and receive the award. आगे बढ़ते हैं। अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट हॉरर सुपरनैचुरल सीरीज एंड द विनर इज Cough, Prime Video. Next award is Best Editing Series and the winner is Antara Lahiri for Ziddi Girls, Pritish Nandi Communications, streaming on Prime Video. Next award is Best Non-Fiction Telugu. And the winner is Unstoppable with MBK Season 4 Soul Productions LLP. Next award is Best Regional Language OTT Original Film, Odia. And the winner is Dasama Kaushik Das Kaustubh Dreamworks Private Limited. Congratulations to all the winners and thank you so much Nikita and Kinjal. Thank you so much for presenting the award. Now, I would like to call upon the stage the sexy, serene Mukti Mohan, my co-host, to present the next set of awards. Please give it up for Mukti Mohan.
Thank you, Akshay. Oh my God, quite a sexy introduction. So, all right, Agla award hai, the most watched show based on, the platform data series. इस अवार्ड को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए आ रहे हैं स्टेज पर मधुरिमा तुली एंड आरती सिंह. The winner is Power of Paanch, Balaji Telefilms Limited, streaming on Jio Hotstar. I think Aarti, you and Madhurima, you can hand over somebody from Balaji can come and collect the award. Or you can take it. But wait, we have more awards to come now. Agla award hai for the editorial choice, Best Actor Series Male. And the winner is, any guesses? Any guess? Anyone? Do you? Let me just sing a song maybe. मैं परवाना, मेरा नाम बताना. Is that Ishaan Khattar? Woo! The winner is Ishaan Khattar for the Royal Netflix. Give it up for Ishaan Khattar.
बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you for considering me worthy of this award, Indian Tele Streaming Award. Royals एक बहुत ही रोमांचक मज़ेदार series थी. I'm really glad that I got to play a role like this. I enjoyed it very much, and I'm even more thrilled that the audiences enjoyed it. So a big thanks to Netflix and to Pritish Nandi Communications and to the entire team of Royals. It's been a very dramatic journey for season 1, both on and off screen. I think we had a lot of fun making this show. And here's to entertaining you guys with hopefully season 2 and much more to come. Yeah.
Superb.
Mukti told me that you guys have spent some time back doing theatre.
Incredible dancer, if you guys didn't notice. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, Mukti Mohan for you. We have Ishaan Khattar in the house. Can I request you guys to just
I don't know, man.
I've got to see what you do so well on screen here.
Why not do something
Can we do a
from your
Jugalbandi?
first film?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Atta, sorry for jumping in, but thank you for your kind words. I don't know where you heard that rumor. It's blasphemous. PR, don't pick that up. But thank you for your kind words, and let's see what khichdi we make together, buddy.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Do it.
How incredible, ladies and gentlemen, Ishaan Khattar. Please continue this wonderful run you're having. Amazing. Thank you.
Yeah,
man.
really proud of you, Ishaan. Agla award hai for the best brand integration series, and the winner is L'Oreal Paris and Dice Media. High Heels Pocket Aces. Give it up for them, guys. So the next award is Best Limited Series. And the winner is IC814, the Kandahar Hijack Matchbox Shots Benares Media Works, Netflix India. Give it up for them, guys. अगला अवार्ड है for Best Actor Negative Male Series, and the nominees are and the winner is Surya Sharma, Andekhi Season 3, Applause Entertainment Private Limited, streaming on Sony Live. Alright, Surya is busy today, it's alright, I will keep your award. Next award is for the Best Debut Female OTT Original. And the winner is Archita Agarwal, Dispatch Z5 India. Give it up for Archita, guys. She has won an award tonight. Come on. Thank you, Aarti. Thank you, Madhurima. Thank you so much. Enjoy the evening. So, अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट ड्रामा सीरीज, और इस अवार्ड को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए मैं स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगी अलंकृता सहाय को. Give it up for Alankrita Sahai. Oh, Alankrita, I really like your hair. So, the winner, Saubhagyavati Sarpanch, Sushil Kumar Agarwal, Ultra Media and Entertainment Private Limited. And the next award, the category is for the Best Horror Supernatural OTT Original, and the winner is Kakura, Z5 India. Alright, and then now the next set of award is for the Best Sci-Fi Fantasy Series, and the winner is 11/11 Z5 India. Produced by Sikya and Hermatic. If you've seen it, I was there in the 3rd episode. Now, अगला award है Best Thriller Series Marathi, and the winner is IPC Sushil Kumar Agarwal, Ultra Media and Entertainment Private Limited. अगला अवार्ड है for the Best Actor Supporting Male OTT Original Film, and the winner is Deepak Dobriyal ji for Sector 36, Netflix India. Woo! Deepak ji के लिए जोरदार तालियां. What a brilliant and celebrated actor you are. सर, आप बहुत कमाल के एक्टर हैं, एंड आपका तनु इज मनी से योर क्वेश्चन हर्ट मी इज माई फेवरेट डायलॉग. कमाल के कलाकार हो आप. कंग्रेचुलेशन सर. मोस्ट डिसरप्टिव कंटेंट फॉर्मेट, एंड द विनर इज Rise and Fall Amazon MX Player. अगला अवार्ड है फॉर एडिटोरियल चॉइस, कमर्शियल ब्रेकआउट फेस ऑफ द ईयर, एंड द विनर इज सूफी मोतीवाला. Okay, now I want to thank Alankrita for presenting so many awards. Thank you so much. You look like a jasmine tonight. And now I would like to invite Nakul Mehta back on stage, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मेहता and मोहन साथ में मिलके होस्ट कर रहे हैं. Can we have Nakul Mehta? Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you,
No,
Mohan.
I'd like to be connected.
Thank you so
Hi.
much for holding
Thank
fort.
you so much.
Okay, अब अगले अवार्ड की तरफ हम बढ़ते हैं. Best Director Series, and the nominees are. इस अवार्ड को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए मैं स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगा लेस्ली लुइस एंड नायरा बैनर्जी. The wonderful Leslie Lewis and Naira Banerjee. Leslie sir, so good to have you. Oh my God, so wonderful to see you. The winner is Vikram Aditya Motwane, Ravindra Nair, Ambika Pandit, Satyanshu Singh, Arkesh Ajay, Black Warrant, Applause Entertainment Private Limited, streaming on Netflix India. So wonderful to see you. Do you want to quickly say something for on behalf of the rest of the team?
Sure. Hi. Of course, I'm not Vikramaditya Motwani. He's way taller than me.
These lights, I tell you.
Yeah. He's my co-creator. I'm Satyanshu. We were 5 directors on this series, directing 7 episodes between us. It was crazy, but thanks to the leadership of Vikramaditya Motwani, we could manage to do a good job. Rahul Bhatt is here, and Applause team is here. People from Netflix. Thank you guys. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for that whistle. And thank you, Indian Telestreaming Award, for acknowledging and recognizing our work. It means a lot to us. Thank you.
Best Writer Story Series, and the nominees are... Winner is Satyanshu Singh, Akesh Ajay, Black Warrant, Applause Entertainment, and Netflix. All right, हमारा अगला जो अवार्ड है वो है बेस्ट कॉमेडी सीरीज तमिल.
And the winner is Thalai Vettiyan Palayam. Season 1. Congratulations!
Oh, wonderful. Season 1 Prime Video. So well done, Nada.
Congratulations!
Oh, we have a friend from Amazon here to receive the award. Big hand for the wonderful team. Many congratulations and thank you for making the trek here. Thank you. हमारा जो अगला अवार्ड है वो है बेस्ट कॉमेडी सीरीज तेलुगु और इसके विनर है
Shivarapalli Season 1 Prime Video.
That's right, sir. हमारा जो अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट सीरीज का उसके नॉमिनीज देखते हैं. And the winner is, it's a tie. Panchayat Season 3 Prime Video and Criminal Justice. Applause Entertainment Private Limited, streaming on Jio Hotstar. हमारा अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट नॉन फिक्शन सीरीज एंड द नॉमिनीज आर Alright, and the winner is Real Me Hip Hop India Season 2 Amazon MX Player. हमारा अगला अवार्ड आता है for Best Actor Comedy Series Female. And the winner is Krusha Kapoor, Half Love, Half Arranged, Season 2, Dice Media, Amazon MX Player. And we grew up watching you on the 90s television, the best television that ever existed, and to see you again is so wonderful.
Actually,
many congratulations.
Yeah, that's such a big coincidence because February, May, I just completed 32 years in the industry. Yeah, I started from 1994 and now it's like 32 years and I started with Zee TV, so I am the OG Gen Z, you can say that.
Who can forget Banegi Apni Baat?
But I share this award with my producers, Pocket Aces, Dice Media, and मैं सिर्फ अवार्ड रिसीव कर रही हूँ. ये अवार्ड के हकदार मेरे हाफ लव हाफ अरेंज्ड वाले मेरे co-actors, writers, showrunners, everyone. And last but not the least, my husband and my son who's here with me. And he specially told me कि मम्मा मेरा नाम ले लीजिएगा. Vivan, this is for you.
So lovely. So lovely.
Thank you so much.
So
Thank
wonderful
you.
to have you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. अगला अवार्ड है for Best Actor Female Series. And the nominees are... winner is Tanya Maniktala for Loot Khan Amazon MX Player. Tanya, many congratulations. That's a coveted honor. I'm gonna let you have the mic and the trophy. How do you feel?
It feels great. I mean, I am here amongst some of the biggest names, but this one is for the team, Ruchir, and everybody at Drishyam and N2O. So thank you for having me.
So lovely. Thank you and have a wonderful evening. Thank you. अगला अवार्ड है हमारा एडिटोरियल चॉइस बेस्ट एक्टर एंड द विनर इज माय नेबर निधि बिष्ट फ्रॉम मामला लीगल है नेटफ्लिक्स इंडिया.
Thank you so much, Indian Tele Streaming Awards. My producers are here, Poshampa Pictures. Thank you to the amazing writers, Saurabh Khanna, Kunal Aneja, my wonderful cast members. And just one thing, yaar, actual kick तो सुजाता play करने में आई है यार. तो thank you so much. Thank you.
हमारा जो अगला अवार्ड है वो है एडिटोरियल चॉइस बेस्ट सपोर्टिंग एक्टर मेल. The winner is Rajat Bedi, the best of Bollywood, Netflix India.
कहते हैं जब ऊपर वाला देता है तो छप्पर फाड़ के देता है. This is my 9th award just for one show. It's crazy. I mean, I can't believe this, but the industry's been very kind. The audience, the media, I love you guys. Thank you, Netflix. Thank you, Aryan Khan.
It's been a while. You've been very gracious presenters. I'd like to really thank you. But listen, Naira's here and Leslie sir, you know she sings really well. She does, right? Of course it's a joke. Leslie sir, we have Leslie sir in the house.
So just a couple of lines. यारों दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो दिलबर हो यार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राजदार.
Oof. क्या बात है, Leslie Lewis. Thank you so much. You've been so gracious and so patient. Thank you to Naira. Thank you, sir. See you very soon. I love this in-ear. You guys, anyone's been on stage doing this ever before? Rahul bhai, you know this in-ear, right? How this works? यार कभी कभार आप कुछ बोल रहे होते हैं, सडनली से पीछे से आता है कि यार नहीं अभी ना एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिस्ट आए, उनको पहले बुलाना पड़ेगा. बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है, बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग मशीन है. कभी कभी करता है इसको निकाल दूं मैं, पर नहीं कर सकते. Guys, it's been a while I've not seen Mukti. I think it'll only make sense if we have
Hey everyone.
Oh, guys, Mukti Mohan for you.
Thank you.
I thought with my beauty you also need intelligence and we have Mukti Mohan.
मैं सच में इतना ब्यूटीफुल लड़का मैंने बहुत टाइम बाद देखा है यार. नहीं कुमार सर भी कह रहे हैं such a beautiful boy यार. I had to do so much makeup to compensate. Well, how are you guys doing tonight? Good?
Great. Okay, we're going to carry on to the awards because अगला award है हमारा Best Actor Male OTT Original Film.
And the nominees are...
Nominees दिखाते हैं, but to present...
And to present this award, we would like to invite Anuradha Tiwari and Kumar Sarnaji. And the winner is, oh my God, everyone's favorite, Manoj Bajpayee for Dispatch Z5 India.
And Vikram Basi for Sector 36.
Netflix India.
Thank you. Okay, first of all the respect to my colleague and friend Boman Irani. Your presence makes the house so look beautiful. So thank you. Dispatch के लिए award मिला है, हो सके तो ज़रूर देखिएगा. It's one of my most precious film that I have done. Not only the subject, not only the work that I have tried to do, but also because of the talent that Kanu Bahal is. कनू बहल अपने आप में एक ऐसा अनोखा टैलेंट है जिसकी कदर अभी तक नहीं हुई है, और मैं जानता हूं कि आगे आने वाले समय में कनू बहुत बड़ा नाम होगा इस इंडस्ट्री का। ये इंडस्ट्री फख्र करेगी कि कनू बहल हिंदुस्तान से है और इस इंडस्ट्री का बहुत बड़ा पार्ट रहा है। उस आदमी ने मुझसे वो काम कराया जो मुझे लगा था कि शायद नहीं हो पाएगा। यू आर अ मैड मैन, स्टे मैड, स्टे पैशनेट, स्टे एंग्री, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू सर, इफ यू कैन जस्ट स्टे देयर। आई जेन्युइनली मुझे लगता है हम उस ज़माने में रहते हैं जहाँ पर अटेंशन स्पैन इतना कम है लोगों का कि वो कब एक फ्लिक ऑफ अ फिंगर में इधर उधर हो जाते हैं, और ऐसे टाइम पे आपने सिर्फ शब्दों से समा बांध दिया है, और बिकॉज यू कम विद द लीनिएज एंड ऑल्सो लेगेसी ऑफ सच गुड वर्क, आई वुड लाइक टू टच योर फीट सर। Genuinely. I love you. You are amazing.
Thank you very much.
Give it up for Manoj ji.
Thank you for so much respect. Thank you very much.
To the madness and artistry of Kanu Bahl and Manoj Bajpayee. अगला अवार्ड है for fan favorite male OTT original film. Winner is Manoj Bajpayee for Dispatch ZEE5.
So you deserve many awards. Give it up for Manoj.
नहीं, अब मैंने ऑलरेडी जो है वो मेरे डिस्पैच से ही मिला है, बट मुझे इस कैटेगरी के बारे में पता नहीं था। मैं सच में कसम खा के कहता हूँ, विद्या कसम। हमारे गांव में विद्या कसम बोलते थे, तो विद्या कसम कह रहा हूँ कि मुझे बिल्कुल ये पता नहीं था कि इसका भी अवार्ड मिलता है। बट थैंक यू जिसने भी मिला है, मतलब एक से भले दो, दो से भले तीन, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। सम्मान जितना मिले उतना अच्छा है कि नहीं? थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू
सर। थैंक यू।
हमारा जो अगला अवार्ड है वो है बेस्ट एक्टर सपोर्टिंग मेल सीरीज।
And the winner is, any guesses? I think जो फिल्म देखने के लिए बोल रहे थे मनोज जी, वो सीरियसली देख लेनी चाहिए लोगों को, क्योंकि the winner is Rahul Bhatt for Black Warrant. Applause Entertainment Private Limited, streaming on Netflix India.
आपकी शुरुआत हुई थी, ये स्ट्रीमिंग जो अभी कहते हैं, जो वेस्ट में जिसको सब टेलीविजन कहते हैं, आपकी शुरुआत हुई थी हीना से। हम सबने देखा है।
Yes.
And in 2025 you continue to marvel us with Black Warrant. कैसे करते हैं आप? What is the story of this journey?
अरे यार, ये जरूरी कहना था कि मेरी उम्र कितनी है?
नहीं, हीना तो अभी आया था, 6-7 साल हुए।
हाँ, अभी Yeah, I mean, I'm very grateful. And I'm very thankful to directors like Anurag Kashyap, Vikramaditya Motwani, Sudhir Mishra, and so many other directors who, keep giving me work. This award is for the audience who saw truth in Black Warrant and they appreciated it. And this award belongs to Vikramaditya Motwani and Satyanshu and the directors.
Absolutely incredible performance.
Thank you.
अगला अवार्ड है for the fan favorite Hindi supporting star actor, and the winner is Rahul Bhatt for Black Warrant, Netflix India. Okay.
Fan favorite. Fan favorite.
पहले editorial choice था.
Critics and fans both alike.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Really, I want to thank all the fans. Fan favorite, it sounds very, very fancy and very great. And I am really, really, really thankful. इतना ही प्यार देते रहें और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि आपको इम्प्रेस करता रहूँ। Thank you.
आपकी एक नई फिल्म आई है, उसके बारे में चर्चा करेंगे?
हाँ, ZEE5 पे मेरी फिल्म आई है कैनेडी, वो आप ज़रूर देखें। बहुत सारे अच्छे रिव्यूज़ हैं। आफ्टर ट्रैवलिंग ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, कान फिल्म फेस्टिवल से लेके सारे फेस्टिवल्स में वो चली गई है। इट हैज़ ट्रैवल्ड कॉन्टिनेंट्स एंड इट हैज़ टेकन 2 years, more than 2 years to reach to India. And finally, हिंदुस्तान में वो रिलीज़ हुई है, and I would really want all of you to watch the film. Thank you. Thank you.
We're looking forward, sir. Congratulations. Again, an अगला award है for the best actor comedy male OTT original film.
And the winner is Pratik Gandhi, Dhoom Dhaam, Netflix India.
On behalf of Pratik, we have his wife Bhamini and daughter Viraya to collect his award.
So Pratik plays an array of roles, right? He's created the biggest scam. He's played an intelligence officer recently. घर पर कैसे हैं वो?
Pratik.
Pratik, सबका Pratik.
Very normal.
So wonderful. And I think what is really lovely is that you've got your daughter to receive this award on his behalf. How do you feel about your father winning?
Really good.
It's like you've come for his parents teachers meeting.
Yeah.
You can say anything.
Oh, wow.
Makes sense. Yeah. Say something.
Is he a strict father?
She was very, very excited because we never take her to such events, because it's not meant for children. So she actually happened to read the message where it mentioned that Pratik's wife and the daughter should attend the event. And she was like, first time somebody has invited me personally, I have to go. Otherwise, it will not look nice if I don't. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Pratik is busy with his work schedule, so I take the opportunity to accept this award on his behalf. And Dhoom Dhaam has been really a special film for him. We've all enjoyed watching the film. And thank you so much, Team Dhoom Dhaam, Aditya Dhar and Team India, Netflix, and it's amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bhamini, before you take a leave, I would really, I love it when people mention, somebody's wife or somebody's husband, but I don't think many of you know that Bhamini, I think many of you know, but this is for the viewers, जो नहीं जानते हैं कि ये theatre में कितने सारे plays कर चुके हैं, and what a beautiful actress she is. And ये I think यहाँ पे भी एक अलग गांधी एक मूवी की मतलब सीरीज करी है भामिनी ने. So please everyone watch it. It is streaming since we are on Indian Tele Streaming Awards. So congratulations. And this is for the fans and everyone. Please do watch her work as well. Thank you Bhamini.
So lovely to
Thank
have
you
you
Viraya.
both. यही खासियत है इंडियन टेली स्ट्रीमिंग अवार्ड्स की. आप आइए, सह परिवार आइए. Alright, अगला अवार्ड जो हमारा है वो है एडिटोरियल चॉइस बेस्ट सपोर्टिंग एक्टर फीमेल.
And the winner is, oh my God, my favorite, Rasika Duggal from Mirzapur Season 3. Woo!
Thank you, Indian Tele Streaming Awards. This is very special. Whenever we do a show, we always hope that there will be a subsequent season. With Mirzapur, not only have we done 3 seasons, but we've also just finished shooting for a film. So what more could anyone ask for? Thank you to the lovely people at Prime Video. Thank you to our wonderful producers at Excel Entertainment. Thank you to my director Gurmeet Singh, who's been with us since season 1, and our writer Puneet Krishna, who's written this deliciously devious character for me. I live vicariously through Beena, and that's the greatest joy that any actor can have. And thank you to my lovely, lovely co-actors. Ali is here today. It's just an honor to grow and learn with you every season. Thank you.
रसिका, आप मिस एक जेन्युइन सवाल है. आई थिंक इतने सीरियस रोल्स करते हो आप, मतलब कभी ऐसे
बट एक्चुअली अगर आप उनका इंस्टाग्राम देखोगे तो शी गोज फ्रॉम सीरियसनेस टू बीइंग एब्सोल्युटली लाइक चिल. हाउ डू लाइक दैट्स रेंज.
Thank you.
That's range, right?
Yeah.
That's range.
Of course. बस मैं जानना चाहती हूँ क्या चड्डा जी भी यही सोचते हैं आपके बारे में?
Mukul, sorry. Mukti and Nakul.
Nakul.
Oh. Mukti and Nakul have made a good case for me to be cast in a comedy film. So yeah, for any makers out there, this is my pitch. Thank
The
you.
wonderful Rasika Duggal, ladies and gentlemen.
Congratulations, Rasika. All right, so next award is Best Documentary, OTT Original Film, English.
And इसकी विजेता है The Dupatta Killer DocuBay Media Private Limited. So many congratulations. Glad no one's wearing a dupatta here. अगले अवार्ड की तरफ बढ़ते हैं.
Yes, and अगला award है for the editorial choice, Best Documentary Series Director.
And the winner, Best Documentary Series Director is Namrata Rao for Angry Young Men.
All right, congratulations and thank you so much.
तो थैंक यू बोल के थोड़ी जाने देंगे हम कुमार जी को. हाँ? Of course, अनुराधा मैम, you should actually.
ऐसे कैसे?
Why don't you make this
ऐसे
beautiful
और ये
request?
कैसे?
अगर आप कहेंगे तो शायद मना नहीं करेंगे.
Right, I've been given this absolute
Sound
honor
checks.
and no pressure whatsoever to ask the legendary Kumar Sanu to sing a few lines for us to make this really an
सर
epic
गा
and
दीजिए कुछ,
historical
सर सुना
evening.
दीजिए प्लीज.
Sir, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kumar Sanu in the house.
एक तो सर आप क्या लग रहे हैं आज? Beautiful.
अवार्ड लेने में और अवार्ड देने में बहुत मज़ा है. हमने भी बहुत लिए, आज दे रहा हूँ तो मज़ा आता है जी. लेकिन बोलना ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं आता है. एक सिंगर हूँ, 2 लाइन गा के बता देता हूँ, ठीक है? जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा. न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा. तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हम नवा.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am. कुमार
मेरा
जी
पर कुमार जी एक बार फिर से पूरा रूम कैसे इन्होंने भर दिया अपनी आवाज से. Thank you so
चार
much,
चांद लगा
कुमार जी.
दिए
चार चांद लगा दिए, बिल्कुल. So now we move to the Agla Award, which is for the editorial choice Best Director OTT Original Film.
And to present this award, we'd like to call on stage Faisal Malik and Mishal Vanwari, co-founder Anime India and director Indian Television Group. Faisal Malik and Mishal Vanwari.
अरे आप तो एक्टर भी है ना सर? कमाल, फैजल सर, क्या बात है? बहुत ही कमाल के एक्टर हैं, वो फाउंडर भी हैं. And the winner is, I think, मतलब मेरे फेवरेट बोल के ना, it will be a very बहुत नीचे कर दोगे.
बहुत नीचे जाएगा.
हाँ.
हम सबके फेवरेट
Vaman Irani sir, for Mehta Boys, Prime Video.
When I was 11 years, I decided I'm going to make a film someday. But life takes you all over. Kahan se guzre hum. There's a South Indian director who, I won't mention a name, who apparently had not spoken to his father for 10 years. 10 साल से उन्होंने अपने पिताजी के साथ बात नहीं की थी. तो somebody recommended Mehta Boys. देखो, 10 मिनट देखे उन्होंने बंद कर दिया picture. And he called up his father. And he said, I want to see this film with you. Not only did he see this film with his father, some 14 family members got together and watched it together. For me, it is such an award and such a reward for a film that comes only from here. For me, I'm so grateful that I can tell this story. I am so grateful to all of you for the love and respect that you have shown me. We will continue to work very hard. All of us have to promise, yeah, award jeet liya, we will continue to work hard for the rest of our lives because the trust and respect that you showed us all. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, the inimitable Boman Irani. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, अगला award जो है वो है editorial choice breakthrough performance OTT original film के लिए.
And the winner is.
बहुत ही खास विनर है, बहुत ज़्यादा खास विनर है.
Give it up for Pooja Saroop
For the Mehta Boys.
Prime Video.
I think for all of us who've come here, there are like lakho people behind making sure you're fed on time, you get your medicines on time and everything. So I want to thank my family, my parents, Vijay and Poonam, my husband Khamosh, that is his real name. I did not give him that name. All friends and family who've been so bloody supportive. And I also want to dedicate this to Mr. and Mrs. Akeda, my lighthouses. Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right, so अगला award है Best Family Drama OTT Original Film. And the
इसके भी विजेता है The Mehta Boys Prime Video. अगला award है for fan favorite Hindi OTT original film.
And to present this award, we would like to invite
Vishwanath Pethe, partner Vamanhari Pethe Jewelers.
And Namrata Ramse, the writer.
Alright, the winner of this award is Mrs. Z5, produced by Harman Baweja.
I think Mrs. is a special film. I think I genuinely want to thank everyone who's worked on it. Most importantly, I feel Mrs. is the kind of film that really, I think it kind of puts it out there for women to be really seen, to be really loved, but most importantly, to be respected. Thank you once again. That's all. Thank you for everyone who watched it, and for those who didn't, please do. It's a sweet film.
Thank you.
Thank you, Arman. So well deserved. Alright, अगला award है हमारा fan favorite OTT personality of the year, male.
And the winner is Munawar Farooqi.
Thank you so much, Indian Tele Streaming Awards. मुझे award देने के लिए, and the director Farhan Zama, thank you for giving me this. Thank you.
क्या बात है यार. अगला award है editorial choice best male debut series और इसके विजेता है
Munawar Farooqi.
First copy Amazon MX Player.
जिन्होंने भी देखी सीरीज और ये यकीन किया कि इसको अवार्ड दिया
मैंने फर्स्ट कॉपी भी देखी
तो उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया फर्स्ट कॉपी जिन्होंने नहीं देखी वो प्लीज़ देखिएगा बहुत अच्छा शो है हमने बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करी है एंटरटेन करने की और इसके लिए भी शुक्रिया थैंक यू सो मच मैं जब तक नीचे उतरूँ तालियां बजाते रहना तो ऑकवर्ड ना लगे
हमारा अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट मार्केटिंग ओटीटी ओरिजिनल फिल्म
And the winner is Mrs. for Z5 India.
हमारा अगला अवार्ड है फॉर बेस्ट डायरेक्टर ओटीटी ओरिजिनल फिल्म एंड द नॉमिनीज आर वाओ
We'd like to call Mr. Anil Vanwari, founder, chairman and editor-in-chief of IndianTelevision.com Group.
And Prerna Vanwari.
And the winner is Mr. Imtiaz Ali Ji for Amar Singh Chamkila, Netflix, India.
An amazing film. We'd not heard of Amar Singh Chamkila before you brought the film out. What made you think of coming up with such a film?
Well, thank you very much to begin with. And it's great to receive this award in the presence of so many artists. I think Amar Singh Chamkila is an artist like many of us are trying to be, me for instance. ये जो नशा होता है आर्ट का, अपने परफॉर्मेंस का, जो हम लोगों ने कभी ना कभी टेस्ट किया है, अमर सिंह चमकीला उसी के विक्टिम थे. तो मैंने कभी इसके पहले ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल मूवी बनाई नहीं थी, मगर ये बात मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा इम्प्रेसिव लगी क्योंकि ये जो आदमी था वो ऐसा कोई बहुत महान या बहुत ब्रेव आदमी भी नहीं था. उसमें कोई ख़ास, उसने हर तरह की गलती की थी, बट उसके अलावा the only thing that stood him apart from everything else, and the reason I made the movie, is that he could not leave his art even though he knew he was going to be killed one day for it. And that's exactly what happened. So this is reaching out to all those artists who care for the work they do more than the lives they live. And thank you very much for this.
Thank you, sir.
Truly, truly grateful.
Thank you.
अगला अवार्ड है अवार्ड फॉर बेस्ट सिनेमैटोग्राफी OTT ओरिजिनल फिल्म, और इसके विजेता हैं
Sylvester
Fonseca for Amar Singh Chamkila, Netflix India.
अगला अवार्ड है for the best original music, song, OTT original film, and the nominees are Sultana, Ranjan, Vida Karo. And the winner is Vida Karo, Amar Singh Chamkila, Netflix India.
Actually, the making of this song was very enchanting, and it's just how people can be so prolific and international and so silly. A.R. Rahman is an example of that, because one night at 2:30, he said, let's put the lights off, let's put candles on. And there was just Irshad, me and him, and he said, let's just start playing the piano and singing a song. And we started getting inspired by some thoughts, and I was talking about the film and about what Chamkila was feeling at the time that he was. और वो हम लोगों ने ऐसे 3 ग्रुपीज़ की तरह enjoy किया वो moment, वो शाम, वो पियानो बजाते रहे. इरशाद ने वहीं पर लिख करके ये लाइनें लिख दी, वहीं बैठ करके ये विदा करो. फिर वो वर्ड्स उनको समझ में आए, वो उन्होंने उसके हिसाब से ट्यून बनाई, और मोमबत्ती के ख़त्म होने के पहले गाना बन चुका था. I've never experienced such a time before. So I thank Irshad, I thank Rahman for giving me times like this in life. So obviously, I'm only receiving this on the behalf of both of them. Thank you very much.
Now, next up is the award for the Best Drama OTT Original Film, and the nominations are...
इस अवार्ड को देने के लिए हम स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहेंगे मृणाल जैन एंड कुणाल ठाकुर, फाउंडर ऑफ टेनिस प्रीमियर लीग. And the winner is
Amar Singh Chamkila, Netflix India. Give it up for the film, everyone. Amar Singh Chamkila, what a film it is.
This award, like all the awards, all the honors, are for Amar Singh Chamkila, his family, and his fans. Like Imtiaz has said many times, they lived the life. We just made a film. Thank you once again. Thank you, everyone.
All right, so the next award is for the Best OTT Original Film, and the nominations are... And the winner is...
Winner is Amar Singh Chamkila, Netflix India.
Amar Singh Chamkila, back-to-back winning all the awards. And before that was Mehta Boys. What's going to be the next?
Also, was Mrunal and Kunal here, I have to say, guys, the first people to start a tennis league in India, doing it so well. Just many congratulations, you guys. Thank you for being here with us. हमारा जो अगला award है वो है Editorial Choice Award, which is for the most impactful performance of the year in a series. और इसके विजेता हैं
Guddu Bhaiya, Ali Fazal, Mirzapur Season 3, Prime Video.
I just want to say हमने एक फिल्म भी बनाई है मिर्ज़ापुर वो आ रही है सितंबर 4 सितंबर को आ रही है देखिएगा धमाका होने वाला है थैंक यू वेरी मच थैंक यू
Thank you Ali. Thank you. अगला award है for fan favorite Hindi non-fiction series. And to present this award, we would like to invite on stage Anmol Badsara, Associate Business Head of Cat Salt and Spices from DS Food Limited, and
Gayatri Gauri, anchor, podcast host, writer, co-founder of IndianTelevision.com Group.
Cat Salt and Spices, one of the most popular brands of DS Group, a leading FMCG conglomerate and multi-business corporation. Cat Salts and Spices offers a wide range of products from the single spices to blended spices, cooking paste and sprinklers, grinders, seasonings and much more. Welcome so much, ma'am. And
the winner is Shark Tank Season 4, Sony Liv. हमारा अगला अवार्ड है for fan favorite Hindi
villain star.
That's the first.
And the winner is Manish Chaudhary for Bads of Bollywood, Netflix India. Manish couldn't be here today, so we request his wife Shruti Mishra to accept this award on his behalf, please. अगला अवार्ड है for the fan favorite regional original series, and the winner is Bedune 3 Z5.
हमारा अगला अवार्ड है for fan favorite regional non-fiction show.
And the winner is Super Dogs, Dhruvin Shah, CEO and founder of Jojo Gujarati.
Agla award for Cat Salts and Spices by DS Group presents fan favorite regional supporting star actor.
And the winner is Ojas Raval, entrepreneur, cineman, Chimarumi. अगला अवार्ड है for Cat Salts and Spices by DS Group presents fan favorite regional supporting star actress, female actor. And the winner is
Rita Trivedi,
entrepreneur, cinema, Chimarumi.
And now to present the next award, we'd like to invite on stage Mr. Ashish Pethe, partner Vamanhari Pethe Jewelers.
For 117 years, Vamanhari Pethe Jewelers have been part of Maharashtra's most cherished moments. Built on trust, purity and lasting relationships, the brand has become a beloved household name. Timeless craftsmanship and design that evolve with each generation ensure collections that are treasured by every age. Celebrate your golden moments with jewelry made to last a lifetime. आपके सुनहरे पलों के साथी.
So I can't believe it. 117 साल का tradition है, and you look very very young. क्या करते हैं आप? क्या लगाते हैं? What is it?
Now, after every few years, the next generation comes, so it looks young, and with times we move. 117 years legacy with 32 stores across 3 states, and soon we'll have a 33rd store in Pune. So I hope Puneites welcome us with open arms, and we are happy to share that we have recently launched our new diamond collection called Avira, which is for eternal bonds and based on the DNA motif. So I hope our audience and the customers also love it. Thank you for having us here, Anilji. Thank you.
So the Vamanhari Pete Jewelers presents editorial choice Best Actress Series goes to Huma Qureshi for Maharani Sony Live.
Give it up for Huma Qureshi, everyone.
We would like to give one of our special diamond pendant sets from our latest Avira collection to Huma.
Wow.
Oh my God,
Wow.
Huma gets the Maharani Award, like truly. Congratulations, Huma.
Love you guys. This really means a lot. Thank you for this wonderful gift.
Huma, before you continue, I have to tell you that ये पहली बार किसी को जीत के लिए एक हार मिल रहा है.
Oh. Oh.
Only Huma Qureshi, guys.
Whoa.
I just want to quickly thank my team from Maharani. Season 4, I think this has been the only show I think I won an award every single season.
Wow.
And yeah, it's pretty surreal. And I think the entire credit goes to Sony Live, to Mr. Subhash Kapoor, for Nandan Umaji, all the directors of all the 4 seasons. I mean, my entire cast, crew, every single one of them. I'm just so deeply, deeply honored to play a character like Rani Bharti, which I think cuts across language, class, just everything. So this is for the entire team. I stand on your shoulders. Thank you so much for giving me Maharani. Thank you.
So, अगला award है for the Best Actor Negative Female OTT Original Film, and to present this award, we would like to invite on stage Ejaz Khan. Give it up for Ejaz Khan, everyone.
All right, guys, I have to announce the winner of this award, and the winner of this award is the wonderful Soha Ali Khan for Choti 2.
A Bendancia Entertainment streaming on Prime Video.
Thank you so much for this award, Itza. It's nice to get an award. And I think getting an award for a negative role was not something that I had expected. In fact, when I was offered the role of Dasima, I was surprised. And a lot of my friends and family were surprised. The only 2 people who were not surprised were my daughter and my husband, who said it is very appropriate, very, very good casting. Thanks, guys. But I have to thank our producer, Vikram Malhotra. I think it wasn't necessarily my acting range that pushed him to cast me in this wonderfully dark role. It was probably his experience of working with me in the show that we'd done just prior to Choti 2. Thank you, Itza, and thank you for this award, and thank you both of you.
So a quick question. 20 years of Rang De Basanti. You've done a bunch of things in all these years, right? From writing a
20 years since Rang De Basanti, 20 years since my last award.
20 years since your last award?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
For acting.
But Soha, you look the same. It just looks like you're straight out of Rang De Basanti, you know? You have not changed even a bit.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Soha.
And you're an inspiration, man. I just did a plank challenge and I was like, come on, if Soha can do it, so can you.
It's when you marry someone who's 5 years younger than you, you have to work hard.
Most honest award speech ever also goes to Soha.
Thank
So
you
so much.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Congratulations,
Thank
Soha.
you so much.
All right, so Agla award here for the editorial choice, Best Actor in a Negative Role, Female. And the winner is...
Huma Qureshi, Delhi Crime Season 3, Netflix India.
You know,
it's been a very, very incredible 2025. Super blessed that I get to play characters with so much range. So when I got this call from Netflix to do Delhi Crime Season 3, of course, I had to say an immediate yes. I've been a huge, huge fan of the franchise ever since we all saw Season 1. So Badi Didi is going to be something, I never thought that I could ever top Maharani in streaming. But I think Badi Didi is right up there. And for the entire cast and crew of Delhi Crime, such incredible women that I've had the pleasure of working with, we have to do one more together. Okay, thank you everyone.
Agla award hai for the editorial choice, the best musical drama. And the winner is Abhishek Sharma and Sagar Thakkar, Hai Junoon, Jio Hotstar.
I just want to quickly thank my producers. Sagar could not be here, but Sagar and Aditya at JCL, Geo Creative Labs. This was my first OTT show, and I'm really, really happy that we got this award. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So, Agla award hai for the best background score series. And the winner is
Ajay Jayanti, Black Warrant, Applause Entertainment Private Limited.
Go Ajay!
For Netflix India.
Ajay couldn't be here, so I'm taking the award on his behalf. Ajay's music actually gave Black Warrant an extremely popular appeal, so hats off to Ajay for what he did for us. Thank you.
Wow. Wonderful. Agla award hai hamara jo hai Best
Cinematography Series. And the winner is Soumya Nanda Sahi, Black Warrant, Applause Entertainment Private Limited, streaming on Netflix India.
हमारा अगला अवार्ड है अवार्ड फॉर बेस्ट एडिटिंग OTT ओरिजिनल फिल्म
And the winner is Jahan Noble Control.
Control.
For Control, Netflix India. Congratulations, ma'am. Agla award hai for the best original music song series, and the nominees are. And the winner is Anurag Saikia,
Madhubanti Bakshi, Amaraba Banerjee, Raj Shekhar, Varun Jain, Romi for Mismatch Season 3, Netflix India.
Agla award hai for the editorial choice, best original song single digital.
And the winner is Niti Mohan for Mirza.
Woo! Congratulations to Woo!
Good evening, everybody, and thank you so much. This means a lot to me. Thank you, Indian Tele Streaming Awards. Mirza is my independent song, and this song is something that will always be very close to my heart. So thank you so much for the love, and yes, I'm just so excited and nervous and everything. But thank you so much. This means a lot.
Nidhi, we can't let you go with thank yous. You know that, right? You have to. I mean, all of us have heard it, but it'll be so wonderful to hear this beautiful song, which is so close to your heart. A couple of lines, maybe.
कैसे जाने रे तू मेरे दिल दा हाल वे हर आहट कह रही है नाम ही तेरा तू मेरे रूबरू हो सोच दी रहा मैं नैना ये सब कह देंगे गल्ला और की रब्बा मेरे फेरिया हथा दी लकीरां तुझ बिन कली में जैसे फकीरा तू मिर्जा है वे सोना मैं तेरी हो गया हाँ तेरे इश्क के सदके मैं सब कुछ खो गया तू मिर्जा है वे सोना मैं तेरी हो गया तेरे इश्क के सदके मैं सब कुछ खो गया
Ladies and gentlemen, Neeti Mohan for you. Beautiful.
Thank you so much. Well, before I leave, I think if we all can clap together and we just do little Kithe Reh Gaya, will be a lot of fun.
Oh yeah. Oh, why not?
मेरे कानों में है जो बाली मैंने तेरी खातिर डाली बहुत देर हो गई है अब लौट आ रिंग सेरेमनी अज रखवा के बैंड बाजा अज पार्टी च बुला के माही मेरा किथे रह गया हो कार्ड शगना दे अज छपवा के बैंड बाजा अज पार्टी च बुला के माही मेरा किथे रह गया और रिंग सेरेमनी अज रखवा के
Thank you. Thank you so much for your lovely. Give it up for Ajaz sir, everyone.
पर है हमारा अगला अवार्ड है फॉर बेस्ट क्राइम सीरीज और इस अवार्ड को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए हम स्टेज पर मंच पर बुलाना चाहेंगे
Russell De Silva, Managing Editor, Telechakkar and Ketki Bhagwat, Conference Producer, ITV Group. And the winner is Black Warrant, Applause Entertainment Private Limited, Andolan Film, streaming on Netflix India. And Agla Award here for the best drama series, and the nominations are and the winner is Black Warrant, Applause Entertainment Private Limited, Swati Vapas aa jao. Agla Award here for the best cinematography series, Tamil. And the winner is
Bhargav Sridhar, Inspector Rishi, Prime Video.
Congratulations once again. Next award is for the best thriller series, Malayalam. And the
Winner is Poacher Season 1, Prime Video again.
next award is for the best youth series, and the nominations are the winner is Big Girls Don't Cry, Prime Video.
हमारा जो अगला अवार्ड है वो है बेस्ट रीजनल लैंग्वेज सीरीज मलयालम.
And the winner is Poacher Season 1,
Prime Video.
Wow! Congratulations! अगला अवार्ड है the best thriller series के लिए, and the nominations are
वाओ. और इसके विजेता हैं
पाताल लोक
Season 2, Prime Video.
For the next segment, I would like to call Akshay on stage, please.
Thank you so much. What an amazing evening we have had so far. So many winners, so many categories, beautiful series, multilingual series, and the next set of award is Best Showrunner Series Tamil. और इस अवार्ड को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए मैं स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगी Mr. Anup Vanwari, Director, ITV Group, and Mr. Manoj Vanwari, COO. And the winner is Pushkar Gayatri for Suzil the Vortex Season 2, streaming Prime Video. Now, the next award is Best Regional Language Series Tamil. And again, the winner is Suzil the Vortex Season 2, streaming Prime Video. बढ़ते हैं अगले अवार्ड की तरफ. अगला अवार्ड है for Best Documentary Series, and the nominees are and the winner is Angry Young Man, streaming बढ़ते हैं. The next award is Best Crime Series Tamil और मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी to present this award Kunal Thakur. And the winner is Suzil the Vortex Season 2 Streaming Prime Video. अगला अवार्ड है फॉर एडिटोरियल चॉइस आउटस्टैंडिंग परफॉर्मेंस सीरीज कॉमेडी ड्रामा और इस अवार्ड को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए मैं स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहूंगी. मैं प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट एक्टर कुणाल ठाकुर टू अगेन जॉइन अस ऑन स्टेज टू प्रेजेंट दिस अवार्ड. द विनर इज नकुल मेहता. डू यू वांट अ पार्टनर स्ट्रीमिंग प्राइम वीडियो?
As the problem is when you're also hosting the award function, you kind of know we are running very late, so you're not supposed to speak. But hey, work damn hard for this man. And just to work with Hermatics has been like one of the most beautiful experiences yet. Thank you so much. This means a lot. I just very graciously sort of accept everything which comes my way and all the love which comes my way for this one. So thank you guys.
Next award is for the Best Ensemble Cast Series and the nominees are and the winner is Black Warrant, Applause Entertainment Private Limited, streaming on Netflix India. The next award is बेस्ट VFX सीरीज और इस अवार्ड को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए मैं स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगी मिनी दास, टेलीचक्कर यूट्यूब हेड एंड प्रथमेश मसाले सोशल मीडिया हेड. And the winner is Anubhav Sinha and Dipen Bhavsar for IC814 The Kandahar Hijack, streaming Netflix India. The next award is Best Comedy OTT Original Film and the winner is Dhoom Dhaam, streaming Netflix India. बढ़ते हैं अगले अवार्ड की तरफ. अगला अवार्ड है Best Crime OTT Original Film and the winner is Sector 36, streaming Netflix India. अगला अवार्ड है for Best Reality Show Series and the nominees are और मैं स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहूंगी ये अवार्ड देने के लिए प्रेरणा वनवारी, एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर ITV ग्रुप एंड अर्चिता चेसवानी, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट जोजो गुजराती. Now, the winners, our favorite of all. Winner for this is Fabulous Lives of Bollywood Wives, streaming Netflix India. The next award is Best Thriller OTT Original Film and the nominees are well, the winner is Hirai Haseen Dilruba, streaming Netflix India. अगला अवार्ड है for fan favorite Hindi original series and the winner is Mismatch Season 3, streaming Netflix India. अगला अवार्ड है for Best Hair and Makeup Artist OTT Original Film और इस अवार्ड को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए मैं स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगी खालिद खान, स्पॉटेल इंडिया रिप्रेजेंटेटिव एंड CEO इंडिया स्पार्कल, एंड मिशाल वनवारी, co-founder Anime India and director Indian Television Group. And now, the winner is Jitendra Mhatre, Yogesh Santosh Patil, Vardhan Nayak, Arjun Bundela, Annapurna Vane, Bharti Deepak Chauhan for Chori 2, Abdantia Entertainment streaming on Prime Video. अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट ब्रांडेड वीडियो OTT ओरिजिनल फिल्म गुजराती, and the winner is Super 13 Shimaro Entertainment Limited. बढ़ते हैं अगले अवार्ड की तरफ। अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट मार्केटिंग कैंपेन OTT ओरिजिनल फिल्म गुजराती, और विनर है Congratulations Social Experiment streaming Shimaro Entertainment Limited. Can I please request Mukti Mohan to join us on stage for closing the amazing ceremony. Here comes the beautiful Mukti Mohan.
What a night it has been, दोस्तों। इतने अवार्ड्स दिए हैं कि आज अब तो लग रहा है कि हम खुद को भी नॉमिनेट कर दें फॉर द मोस्ट ओवरवर्क्ड होस्ट्स, राइट?
आज हमने टैलेंट सेलिब्रेट किया, परफॉर्मेंस सेलिब्रेट की, और सबसे ज़्यादा सेलिब्रेट किया वो बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक जो हर स्पीच को एक्स्ट्रा इमोशनल बना रहा था।
कुछ स्पीचेस छोटी थी, कुछ लंबी थी, और कुछ में ना चैट GPT की झलक थी।
हाँ, जरा सी,
है ना? But honestly, tonight was all heart, and आज के सारे winners के लिए एक बार फिर से round and square and pentagon of applause.
And आज के सारे losers के लिए bigger round of applause because हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं।
वैसे हुमा तो सारे हार ले गई है। Anyways, thank you so much for the love, everyone. Thank you कि आप सबने स्पीच के बीच में skip बटन नहीं दबाया।
Before we wrap up, big thanks to our amazing partner, presenting partner, Vaman Hari Pete Jewelers.
Spice partner, Catch. क्योंकि content हो या जिंदगी, taste तभी आता है जब थोड़े मसाले हो, है ना?
बिल्कुल. To every content creator, actor, writer, technician, you didn't just make content, you built worlds. And to everyone watching at home, yes, we know you're already starting a new episode.
So good night, walk home safe, or at least faster than Mumbai traffic. Good night, everyone.
Stay fabulous, stay entertained.